Hi guys, welcome back to another video at Keeling Farm. I'm out here with the sheep right now, and I wanted to make this video to open up a little bit of a debate in the comments and see what you guys thought about it. If you guys know our story, we are new to sheep. We only have had them for like a year and a half, and I just ended up purchasing 50 new ewe lambs. Here's one of them right here. So they are Katahdin cross. And all of our sheep are actually like Katahdin based, some St. Croix mix in them. But anyways, the question that I want to present in this video is ewe lambs, hair sheep ewe lambs. What is the percentage of them getting bred within the first year? You know, they are going to be a smaller frame than like a Dorper or other, you know, meaty sheep. That's just their stature of how they're built. Within the first year, though, this is a year and a half old right here, sorry, and they grow out fine. But I'm starting to think, I think I've heard this somewhere, and that's why I wanted to come on here and see what you guys thought and just kind of open it up. Last year we only got like half probably of our ewe lambs to breed, and the other half didn't, and they probably will this year because they're a bigger size. But I feel like I've heard that somewhere, that hair sheep are, you just have to plan on them not breeding that first year, or breeding them at an extended of not within the first whatever 9 months of their life. Then they're a lot more likely to breed. So, look at this little black one, that's Ryan's favorite that we got. So yeah, I don't know. What are your guys' thoughts on it? Have you heard that as well, that on hair sheep you just have to accept that they might not get bred in the first year? If there's different things that you guys have done to get your sheep bulked up to breed, make it more likely for them to breed that first year, can you share it in the comments? We were planning on flushing up these girls, and you know, it's the end of November right now when I'm shooting this video, and I'm not sure when we're going to put the ram in, maybe in a couple weeks, mid-December. But yeah, I don't think that we're going to have enough time to flush these new lambs up to get them heavy enough to breed, which is okay. It's fine. Some of them that we got, you know, last year, some of mine about this big actually ended up breeding. So we'll see how it goes. I feel like it's just something that you have to, you know, have in your head when you get started. Now, I do want to show really quick, hopefully I can get it on video, my F1s though. These are American whites, so our females that were Katahdins last year, or whatever, the mothers were Katahdins, they were bred to an Australian white ram. I am so impressed with how they have grown just within that first F1. So let me see if I can, this one right back here, and actually that one right there, they're the orange tags, this one right here, these are all my F1 American whites. So I need to bring something to hold. This one right here, that's an F1 as well. Like, I have no doubt in my mind that these two girls are going to get bred by the ram in a month. The little Katahdins, we'll see. But that's very exciting for, you know, hair sheep, just within that first cross of the Australian white ram to a Katahdin is making a nice ewe lamb that I won't have to worry about, a nice hair sheep ewe lamb that I won't have to worry about getting bred. So, like I said, if you guys have any comments on it, if you have any experience with it, please be sure that, another one right there. Gosh, I'm so excited. So excited. Like, how is an F2, F3, F4 gonna look? Guys, look at her. She is like, she was born in May. I'm pretty excited. So be sure that you guys are subscribed if you aren't already. Like I said, leave a comment if you have any input or suggestions for others that do hair sheep and are just struggling with the same thing, seeing that their ewes aren't getting bred that first year, and see if we can help some people out. We will see you guys in the next video. I do not remember what it is, but I'm sure it's either sheep or cow related, because that's what this channel is all about. So, okay guys, we'll see you in the next one. Bye.